Good morning everyone, welcome back to the vlog channel. I am actually currently freezing my butt off because we're at the park. We're going to be flying the drone, the new Mavic Air with, well, we're here with Shez and Luca.
Yeah,
but we're all freezing.
And Luca's got his racing drone.
Yeah.
It looks like such a nice day.
I know, well from that cloud over
now.
there.
It was like completely clear blue skies a minute
Yeah.
ago.
But now it's freezing, so we're just going to fly the drone for a little bit and then we'll head back home, right? Yeah. So I'm freezing. You're like crying, you've got like a tear going down your face.
Am I crying? I'm so sad.
Are you really that upset?
Yeah. Not a nice day anymore.
I know.
Alright.
Okay, you ready?
Maiden, well, kind of maiden flight.
Okay.
Sort of.
I have no idea what that means. But...
Right, we're sport mode.
It's quite nifty, that.
Alright, don't get cocky with it. Oh, it's the fastest drone anyone has ever made. No one has ever got a faster drone than this. You know that? It's so fast. I heard that it can beat any racing drone. It's so fast in Barbie mode.
He's like, alright then.
You ready for a flyby?
That's basically a racing drone. Luke is like, you watch my drone.
I know.
My drone's faster.
This gets all the attention.
What does it look like? Does it look decent?
It looks really good on here.
The car, we've left the boys behind because it's literally freezing. Like, we both got these chunky scarves, like trying to keep warm. We were doing like the penguin hug, but it's just not keeping us warm enough, so we're gonna go back in the car and wait for them to be finished. Oh, so windy though, like, oh, literally my hands are frozen right now.
It's the icy kind of wind, isn't it?
Yeah, like it's actually so cold. Whew. So guys, it's a lot later now. We're not with Shez and Luca anymore. They went home, but we're actually now at the NEC at the spring show, and I'm so excited because look, I mean, it's like huge. It's freaking huge, and we're going to be basically trying to find things to stock on our website, and I'm so
This
excited.
is just the first haul, but it is massive.
Yeah, like there's like so much to see. We're probably going to spend like most of the day here, but I'm really excited.
Our legs are going to be killing.
Oh yeah, my legs are already killing from like doing
squats. Let's do some walking around then and see if we can find anything good to show them.
Yeah. Okay, so we are now in like this candle section store, and we have literally fallen in love with the candles. Let me just show you guys. Look how beautiful these are. Oh my god, I so want to stock these on our website, like when we start it up.
Look at actually,
that is so nice. And I love the packaging. Like, it's so like nice and like luxurious and velvety, but it's not like too pricey as well, like, which is good. Like the candles are actually like a decent price, I guess, for like a high-end candle. And they actually gave me one as well, which is so nice of them. They gave me one to try, but there's like so many to choose from. But this one smelled amazing. It's called Monkey Business. And it's I'm pretty sure this is the brand. I think it's called Victorian, but I don't know.
No, I think it's on the
or is that
interior. No, that's something else.
Oh, I'm confused. I don't know. But it's really nice. Like, it's like so up our street. Like, should we show them the homeware stuff as well?
Yeah, sure.
I've got a bit of the homeware stuff in here as well.
Oh, this one's really nice. The cedar wood.
Yeah,
that is such a good smell.
And this is just like a bit of homeware. They have like some kitchenware, which is so nice. Like, the colours are just so beautiful and like vibrant. Look at this cutlery. Well, it's not cutlery, it's like big spoons and big like cake things.
Plates are nice.
Yeah, so nice.
This is one of my favourite stores. I remember it from last year.
We came here last year to the show as well, and there was literally so much stuff. But this store was like one of the ones that really stuck out to us because it's just so nice. Like all the stuff. Like, come here. It's like the bowls and the plates. So cool. It's so our style, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
Really like
It's a shame
it.
they can't sell those.
Yeah, I really like those little poofs. Okay guys, so we are now back from the trade show. I've just done my makeup because I'm going to be filming the Gigi Hadid like video. You're going to be helping me, aren't you?
Yeah, kind of excited for that.
Yeah.
Take some photos.
It's going to be a good video. And also, look at all the leaflets that we got from the trade show. Literally, we have so many to go through.
Oh, we're going to have hundreds of products to look through. Like, each one's a brochure with like hundreds or maybe even like 1,000 products in it.
Yeah, literally, it's going to be crazy. But look at this one. Oh, I'm just dropping all of them. Look at this one though. The candles in this one is are so cool. I really want to stock these on our website, potentially.
How much were they there? I thought they were quite expensive.
No, I think you can.
You buy them. We buy them for £4.20.
Yeah.
And we have to sell them for £9.99.
Yeah, which I feel like that's a pretty affordable price for a candle. I mean, and it's really nice. They smell really good.
Unfortunately, with a lot of things, RRP price, which means the person who created it. You know, if it was like a YouTuber making some merch, they set the RRP.
Yeah.
But in this case, the manufacturer sets the RRP, so you actually have to sell it for that price.
Yeah. Otherwise, they just won't sell it to you because you'll be like undercutting other people.
Which is why we've picked up so many brochures, so we can try and find the best prices ones.
Yeah, because obviously we don't want to like rip anyone off. Yeah, there's some really cool ones, so we're gonna definitely look through all of them and see what we can find. And also, this candle smells amazing. Literally, this is the candle that one of the stores gave us for free, as well as this one. And this one smells so good.
This one smells nice. Look, I think we should definitely stock this one.
Yeah, I really, really like this one. It's very like luxurious. Obviously, we want to have options on our website, so
we're gonna have cheaper candles, but this will be the expensive one. It is a lot of money.
Oh, it smells good. But like with candles, you get what you pay for, kind of thing. So
well,
I mean,
I don't know. That candle, you have to sell it for £27, but it destroys the smell of any Jo Malone candle or anything like that.
That is very true. It's a lot more stronger in scent than like Jo Malone or Yankee Candle or anything like that.
Yeah.
And then this one as well is really cool. This literally. They have so many scents of this and they smell like Bath and Body Works, which you guys know is like my favourite candle, right? Like, I just love
I just don't like the jar very much.
Yeah, I don't like the packaging,
but the smell's so good.
Yeah, the smell is so worth it. So now I'm just going to film some of the Gigi outfits for my main channel video and I'm really excited for that. So should we do it?
Yep, let's do that now.
Finished filming the Gigi Hadid like photography kind of section of that video, and that video is now up, so if you guys want to check it out, make sure you do. But we're now going to be basically painting the wall in my office and I'm really excited, but first we have to clean it. So instead of using like a sponge like normal people, I'm literally just gonna use a beauty wipe because I can't be bothered.
I can't open it.
Oh.
Like even with the claw in there. It's like a wood plastic one. The tins are so much easier to open.
Oh no. Every night. Oh my god! That went everywhere!
On the carpet. Oh god.
Oh no!
What a stupid design.
Did it go in your eye?
I think so.
Oh my god, you might want to clean
We're
that.
gonna have to get that off the carpet.
Crap! All over your face.
That's right in there. I'm so sad.
Can you read that? Oh, pleasure. Oh my god, I really just hope this doesn't stain my carpet. Oh god, no, this has made it worse. The next day and the wall is finished.
Yay!
It looks really good. Like, I love this little area now. Like,
it's not the same colour, is it?
It's not actually, yeah. Like, so we picked up a paint that was called White Mist, and obviously we were just assumed that it'd be white, but it's actually a lot more grey than all the other walls. So like if you look here,
oh, you can see in that corner there.
Yeah, you can see in that corner. If you look here, like we went over this wall by accident a little bit, and it just looks so grey in comparison.
But it isn't that. Like if you didn't have the other 3 walls, you'd think it's white. Still.
Yeah. I mean, like I'm not really that bothered, but it's just like.
And we're gonna put down the what are they called?
Are they called like?
The paper backgrounds.
Yeah,
for your
like
videos.
Different colours, so it should be good. I'm excited for that. Yeah, I'm excited to get this room going. Really, like I want to get some more storage for that side. Like it's really messy at the moment. But yeah, just get some storage and I feel like this room will be done. So we're gonna finish the vlog here. Really hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog as always, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! Bye!